There are many movies people consider the greatest movie of all time. There's like Jurassic Park, there's Star Wars, The Godfather, Shrek, but they're not the greatest movie of all time. Once I was like you, I thought those were the greatest movies of all time until a couple of years ago, and by that I mean like 13 years ago. I was like 5 at the time. I was introduced from a Burger King's kids meal, the true greatest movie of all time. This Furby Island, a true masterpiece. Sadly, this movie has remained out of the limelight for years and years, but today I'm here to introduce it back into the world and show the world why this movie, Furby Island, is the greatest movie of all time.
Make all your adventures adventures!
So here we are introducing the main characters. First main character is Maddie, whose only character trait is that she watches this TV show, Dr. Conquest, and really likes it, even though no one else likes it. The other main character is her brother, Ty, who doesn't like this show and is annoying. Now you may think, each character only has one character trait? That's boring and bland and doesn't create any dynamic to make these characters change and be interesting throughout the story. So their parents are taking them to this uninhabited island called Noname to find a mysterious plant that's so sharp it could cut anything. Is that important to the plot? No, but they mention it anyway. Skipping ahead again, let's get to them actually on. Wait, stop. So the parents go wandering off on the island, and the kids naturally decide to go out on their own on this unexplored, uninhabited island. They explore for a bit, just arguing with each other the whole time, until they find these ruins. The archaeological discovery of the century, right? I guess? Maybe? No, I don't think that. They're just like, ooh, cool ruins. And then Ty goes ahead and steps on a trap and then gets the whole temple to collapse. Uh-oh is right, Ty, because you get trapped inside. And guess what your sister Maddie does to help you? That's right, just leaves you. Just leaves him to die in an ancient temple on an uninhabited island. What a good sister right here. After running through the jungle for a bit, Maddie sits down to catch her breath and reflect on the fact that she's just murdered her brother when she is greeted by this Furby.
Who are you?
Ka-ilo.
You talk. Wow. This is incredible.
If Furbies weren't creepy enough, apparently in this movie, Furbies also have a strange telepathic ability where they can look into your memories and change your emotions. So, there's that.
You know what I was feeling. That was so amazing.
If leaving her brother to die didn't confirm that something was wrong with Maddie, this definitely does. I'm terrified of robotic Furbies, let alone living ones, and she's just like, whoa, this is so cool.
Mom.
Okay, yeah, that's enough of that. Can we get back to Ty, please?
Ty! I can't believe you left me in that dark cave. But how did you get... Wouldn't you like to know?
What? That's it? Literally, this guy was just trapped in a life-threatening situation, and his only response is, wouldn't you like to know?
Ty, I've got something to show you. Like a dark cave with a collapsing floor? I'll pass.
Literally, they just don't go into any more detail with this. Okay.
What? You stay away from me.
Oh wow, a natural reaction to seeing a Furby. I can get behind this Ty character. Let's see if this continues. And he's burping at it. It's a burping contest in this movie. Okay, how far into this movie am I exactly? I'm not even halfway. And they already have a burping contest. This is not a good sign of things to come. Let's just skip ahead here. There's got to be something good. There's got to be something that's going to invigorate the plot.
Hi, look.
A bad guy. Perfect. This is exactly what we need. Time to see exactly what this bad guy's going to bring to the table. Oh, he's just chasing them around. Wow, that's original. How long does this go on? I sure hope this doesn't go on for the next 20 minutes of the movie.
20 minutes later.
When will this end? Please, please. Wait, she's cornered. She's cornered. Finally, finally. I can be done with this stupid movie. I'm going to be free.
Mine. Don't you stand in my way, or I'll...
You are not gonna hurt any more Furbies.
And who's going to stop me?
I am.
Didn't they do that before and the whole temple collapsed? Oh no, it's just conveniently the tiles right beneath his feet. Was she gonna leave this guy to die too? And there she goes. That's the second person she's left to die in an ancient temple this movie. This 40-minute movie. We're supposed to like these characters. There you have it. Parents somehow knew all along. They all get on their plane and they all fly away happily off into the sunset. The end. I'm done. Finally. I'm finally done. Word of advice. If you and your friends want to watch a movie at any time, don't pick Furby Island. 40 minutes of my life I'm never getting back.